Oh, you guys are looking at my thighs. Here are 5 best thigh workout tips. 1. Squats. Squats are one of the best exercises for toning and strengthening your thighs. They work the muscles in your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. To do a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower your hips down and back like you're sitting in a chair, then push back up to standing. 2. Lunges. Lunges are another great exercise for targeting your thigh muscles. They work your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. To do a lunge, step forward with one foot and lower your body down until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle, then push back up to standing. 3. Leg press. The leg press is a weight machine that targets your thigh muscles. Sit in the machine with your feet on the foot plate, then push the plate away from you using your leg muscles. 4. Deadlifts. Deadlifts target your hamstring muscles and can also help improve your overall leg strength. To do a deadlift, stand with your feet hip-width apart, hold a weight in front of your body, then bend forward at the hips and lower the weight towards the ground, keeping your back straight. 5. Cardio. Cardio exercises like running, cycling, or jumping rope can also help tone your thigh muscles. These exercises work to burn fat and improve your overall muscle tone. Aim to do at least 30 minutes of cardio exercise per day to see results.